morning to everyone. Vice Rector, Professor Bugavcic, lecturers of the conference, professors, students. I would like to welcome you all on behalf of the University of Kragujevac to the first international workshop and training school, which is being organized under one of the latest research projects of the University of Kragujevac. As you are already informed, this is the project titled Computational Modeling of Blood Flow in Tumor Vasculature, which was selected for funding by the Swiss National Science Foundation. It represents the institutional collaboration between University of Fribourg from Switzerland and University of Kragujevac. We are very pleased and very honored to be able to present to you today, besides the scientists of our Serbian scientific community, with several very distinguished researchers from abroad that on this occasion came to Serbia from Switzerland, from Belgium, from Greece, and from Austria. Thank you all for coming and for taking part in our gathering. We believe that this two-day conference will represent a successful start of the successful project, and that during these 2 days there will be a lot of exchange of experience and knowledge useful to all of you. Once more, thank you all for coming. We wish you a successful workshop. And for the beginning, our Vice Rector for Research and Science, Professor Dr. Željko Bugavcic, will read you.
Good morning, everyone. So welcome to the University of Kragujevac. We are very happy that you are here today, and we hope that today and tomorrow you will have successful work. Unfortunately, the weather is not so nice. It's a pity for you, but I suggest Professor Filipovic next time, if he will organize this conference, it's better during the spring or autumn. So you will have opportunity to work here and to see something around Kragujevac or a different part of Serbia. So I don't know so much about this conference, so I would like to welcome you in Kragujevac, so I hope you will have successful work today and tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Vice Rector. All right, since during the circumstances the coordinator of the Swiss side of the project, Professor Dr. Kurziorueg, is not here because of the illness, he was prevented from coming, I will just shortly present you with his biography. And then coordinator from the Serbian side, Professor Dr. Nenad Filipovic, will greet you and also will start the session of presentation with his overview of the research on this subject. So Professor Rueg is a professor and chair of pathology and president of the Department of Medicine at the University of Fribourg in Switzerland. He was previously director of the Division of Experimental Oncology at the University Medical Center, and his main research interests are focused on tumor host interactions. Recently, he demonstrated that cancers relapsing after radiotherapy are more metastatic through combined suppression of angiogenesis, selection of cancer cells, and mobilization of bone marrow-derived cells. Dr. Rueg successfully identified diagnostics and therapeutic targets, some of which were translated into clinical studies in oncology. He is a member of the PhD program of the University of Louisiana and the ProDoc programmer at Uni Fribourg. He leads the angiogenesis program at the National Center for Competence in Research, Molecular Oncology. He was a member, and he's a member of 2 FP7 programs in the vascular remodeling and cancer. He was a member of scientific boards of national and international institutions, and he authored over 120 publications and gave also that number of invited lectures. He organized international conferences and with various centers in Switzerland and abroad. And also Dr. Rueg is co-founder of a company dedicated to early cancer detection and monitoring. And Professor Nenad Filipovic is a professor of biomechanics and informatics at the Faculty of Engineering at the University of Kragujevac. and he is a research associate at Harvard School of Public Health and University of Harvard in the United States. His research interests are in the area of fluid mechanics, coupled problems, fluid structure, interaction, heat transfer, biofluid mechanics, biomechanics, multi-scale modeling, discrete modeling, molecular dynamics, computational chemistry, and bioprocess modeling. He is the author and co-author of 6 textbooks and 1 monography in English language, over 50 publications in peer-reviewed journals, and over 5 software for modeling with the finite element method and discrete methods from fluid mechanics and multiphysics. He is also a director of the Center for Bioengineering at the University of Kragujevac, and he leads joint research projects with Harvard University and University of Texas in the area of bio-nanomedicine computer simulation. He also leads a number of national and international projects in the area of bioengineering. He was awarded with the Young Scientist Award of 2nd MIT Conference on Computational Fluid and Solid Mechanics in Boston, USA. He is managing editor for Journal of Serbian Society for Computational Mechanics and a member of the European Society of Biomechanics and European Society of Artificial Organs. Professor Filipovic, please, the floor is yours.
So, good morning to everyone. I'm very glad that you're coming to this first international workshop. I will just tell you a few words how this project actually started and how we came to this project. A few years ago I contacted Professor Kurzio Rig, regarding some kind of mathematical modeling, computational modeling, and I was very interested in the experimental work of Professor Rig, and we started communication through emails, so we didn't meet each other in person until this project starts actually, so it's very good. And we started about some ideas how to exchange knowledge and how to make this kind of computer modeling for his experimental research. And the first problem was actually how to simulate orbital shaker and how the fluid is moving around the orbital cells. So I will show later some examples about this one. And he was surprised it's really possible to simulate and how to simulate actually the influence of shear stress of orbital cells. So that was our first contact, and from then we started to think about joint projects, and there was a call for a Scopus project in Swedish National Science Foundation, and we started writing and we wrote the project proposal and we get it. So that's where we are now. I will tell you just a few words about the aims of this scope proposal. So aims is actually to build complementary competencies and to develop institutional partnership in research and training. So between the University of Freiburg, first of all, and University of Kragujevac. So we have 2 universities. University of Freiburg is even much bigger. It's in smaller town, but much bigger than our university. But we try to make some kind of exchanging and competencies in terms of, first of all, computational model, where we can say we have some level of knowledge, and of course experimental research in cancer, where University of Freiburg is much bigger level. So we try to make some kind of collaborative project and some kind of mix between computational modeling and experimental research in tumor angiogenesis, with particular emphasis on drug delivery. So the aim of the project is to organize workshops and training courses for students, PhD students, students of the last year for the technical science, medical science, natural science, to organize summer school for students, and of course try to develop new curriculum in experimental research and mathematical modeling of tumor angiogenesis. It's not an easy task. Of course, in the end we will try to make some kind of curriculum, at least maybe a few weeks in some existing curriculum or some kind of curriculum inside the already curriculum at the University of Kragujevac. We are still thinking where to put this curriculum, or technical or medical side, but we will decide maybe it will be some joint or something between, because it's really actually between, and we have both science inside and we have both TEMS inside. If you talk only about University of Kragujevac, what is the really benefits and what's the plan for development in next 3 years, because projects just started. You can see here, so actually we try to contribute to the Bologna process and increasing the attractiveness in European higher education. We will try to increase the awareness of the need to further develop internal quality culture in institutions, and try to promote internal quality management to improve quality levels. Then we'll try to develop best standards in the areas related to European research area, continuous improvement of the quality of research, effective transfer of knowledge between, first of all, Clinical Center of Kragujevac, Science and Technology Park, which will be built, of course, in the near future, and University of Kragujevac, where we have the young people and people who are doing research, actually. Then we try to make research better for Serbian society, for this society, this community, and all stakeholders, and raising international reputation of our research in terms of new projects, new publications, new peer-reviewed journals, papers, etc., and to become a regional and national leading institution for research in bioengineering. This is just a small view of the some kind of modeling, nanoparticles modeling, first of all, for deliveries to tumors, and it's probably in the beginning it's not easy to explain people who are doing only experimental research what we can do with modeling. Usually the people from experimental research who are not convenient with this kind of computational modeling, they think we are just playing with the computer some kind of games. Actually, yes, that's true. But these games, we hope that will make understanding, at least, of some environment and some processes of the biological processes a little bit understandable. That's of course what we are trying. I do not intend to say that we understand everything. It's just some small maybe help in order not to do a lot of experiments to see something, or just try to at least to repeat some experiments in virtually. Why that's important? Because, of course, as you probably know, experiments are very expensive, especially for tumor research, and it's not always easy to, at least to post-process the data from experimental research. So modeling is actually trying to go deep into the problem, try to understand the problem, try to describe the problem with equations, and try to solve this equation if possible, of course. In terms of solving equations, there are so many parameters, as you know. If you have a smaller number of equations, that's even better. You have only a few parameters. But even in that case, it's not easy to fit the parameter and to repeat some kind of, let's say, nature, biological nature. In this project, our goal is to make a few some kind of these workshops and training courses. Actually, today is joint one workshop and one training courses. It's mixed, and we hope we will have at least 30-40 participants. So real participants, real PhD students who are listening to this one. And we try to, in this kind of workshops and training, to explain at least young people and to give some ideas what we are doing. So, as you can see, here are very eminent professors from different areas. I will tell later exactly the program. And the aim, of course, try to make a symbiosis of this kind of research. We also plan to do some summer schools, and I can say, so this is the first workshop and training course in Kragujevac in Serbia. The second one will be in end of August in Freiburg. And then maybe we can make a few days or 1 day summer school. So maybe we can just collect all, because people don't like to travel a lot, so maybe we can collect just all of this kind in one meeting, few days, 1 to 3 days, and everything will be inside. I actually visited already labs of Professor Rig, and they're very good, and they have a lot of laboratory, a lot of experience in that kind. So I think young people, young students can come in August and to see it and to be training actually this kind of research. So as I already said, we already have one kickoff meeting that was in Freiburg. Today's and tomorrow's workshop and training courses. Development of new curricula, we will try it. We can put it in Faculty of Engineering or Faculty of Medical Science. We will see. The second workshop is regarding experimental research, so it will be in Freiburg. And the third one will be again in Serbia regarding computer modeling. And summers, we have 2 summer school, of course, one from the side of computer and modeling, and the other from experimental research. So as you can see, it's 3 years projects, and this is milestones and indicator